people should try to engage more, because I think there are a lot of people that don't engage with the post, so they are in the background. So my personal view on that is that you need to think, what are you doing in this professional network? And if you want to get noticed, you should engage with content, because
Exactly.
because our community is small at the end. It's a pharma community is a niche, and at the end, many people who share posts and engage with posts they know each other, and at the end, if you react with the post, you get also noticed, also on a professional level, even if you just work in a company, or but especially if you're a service provider in some way, you should engage with people
Of
post
course.
by comments and likes.
And I also think, to add something to that, it's indeed a great point. Also when you want to connect with someone that you might not know directly, but as I mentioned, that you know them through a colleague or through the industry, it's also about giving value. It's not about, adding someone, connecting with someone on LinkedIn and expecting that they will give you a job or they will do business with you. You really have to give value. And what you said about engaging, I think that's also about, that's value, because you give your opinion about something. You show the appreciation of someone posting something. Maybe you can share your insights under that certain post that is related to that. So definitely, whoever wants to be successful on LinkedIn, I think they should also take into account, how can I give to that person that I want to reach, that I want to connect with, before I ask something.
Exactly. No, this is 100%. So from my personal experience, I get a lot of messages from people, and some of the people I know, because even if not personally, even if we are not yet connected, I see that they're engaging with my post. They like my post. I see them and I acknowledge them. I know who they are,
Yeah,
and
exactly.
then I get a message from them, and then they ask me some questions or some guidance or some advice, and I'm happy to help, because I know, okay, you are in some way you're a friend of mine, because you
Yeah,
know
exactly.
me, because we know each other, we have some kind of relationship,
Yeah, you're building a community, right? That person is now part of your community.
Yeah, exactly.